Inspect before you connect. Always inspect fiber end faces before making any connections to avoid damage to your equipment or the network. If you're unfamiliar with this process, please watch the fiber inspection and cleaning video available here. Step 1. Test Setup. Press the Script hard key. Then tap Scripts Link Characterization. Tap the Launch soft key. Verify the tests that need to be run: OTDR, AP, CD, PMD. Ensure they're all checked. Verify that fiber span testing is checked. Insert the fiber name and the fiber number. Tap the Start soft key. Step 2. Test Operation. Once you tap the Start soft key, the unit will switch through various screens. The unit will ask if you want to start the OTDR measurement. Tap Yes. Upon completion of the OTDR test, a message will pop up asking you to check the light source. Inform the light source operator to turn on the light source as indicated in the OBS instructional video. Optical broadband source testing operations. Press the green power button. When prompted by the operator, select the appropriate application, PMD, AP, or CD. Press Active to turn the light source on when requested by the operator performing the test. Advance to the next test by pressing the application key again when requested by the operator. When the test is complete, press the Active button again to turn the source off. Disconnect and move to the next fiber. Confirm the light source is on the correct application and is activated. Then press the Yes button to continue testing. Step 3. Results. If you're going to test another fiber, connect to the next fiber, inform the light source operator to shut down the OBS and switch fibers. Press Yes. Then repeat Step 2. Results are automatically saved to a pre-designated folder. For more information on saving files, please watch the file handling video. If you are done testing at this site, tap No, then tap the Exit soft key to exit the script. You may now shut down the unit.